If only there was a way for you to not make any more YouTube videos, but still make more money. That would be epic. But only the legendary genius engineer Jordan Parker knows how to do this. And no one has seen him for decades. Oh, hi. My name is Jordan, and yes, this video is gonna help you make a lot more money. In fact, if you follow my advice well, you can probably make one video a month and still make double your current income. We're talking about stuff that's that powerful. And also, yes, I've been an engineer and I've run engineering businesses for 15 years. So I've done this a little bit. Now, I'm no money guru. I will not give you the magical new cryptocurrency blockchain that you can purchase and immediately get rich. That's not about that. What I'm going to do is going to show you exactly how you should optimize your YouTube business, how to increase the profit from your YouTube business, and how to actually keep your sanity while doing this with no extra videos. And instead of using cryptocurrency as the main tool for getting rich, we're going to use math and economics. I know, crazy, using logical stuff that actually works. I'm crazy like that. So we're going to go through a 3-step process, and you want to do every single one of those steps. Because if you skip one of those steps, the whole thing doesn't work, or it doesn't work as well. And the way those optimizations work is if you add all of them, you stack them. If you just use one of them, it doesn't do anything. It does, but it's a little, and you can't see it. You stack all of them, and it's a lot. It compounds, and you see it. Step number 1, we'll talk about emails. Step number 2, we're going to talk about having a real sales page. Step number 3, I'll tell you how to optimize all of this. And step number 3 is the most important one, because from step number 3 is where all the money happens. You can't just slap this in 15 minutes and you instantly get a ton of cash. That's not how it works. You optimize this every single day for the next 3 months. And then you get a pile of cash. And then on the next day, you get another pile of cash. And then on the next day, you get another pile of cash. And on the next day, it's Saturday, so you still get another pile of cash. You get the idea. First, we have emails. Emails are important. You're sending emails to a list of people who opted in to receive emails from you. You own that list. You guarantee communication with your list. Let's say you spend 1 week to create one YouTube video and you have 1,000 subscribers. It will probably show to like 20% of them. That's 200 people. So you spend a week and 200 people hear from you. They can spend a little bit of time with you. But let's say you send an email. You spend 1 hour. You send it to 1,000 people. You get 40% of them to open it. That's 400 people. You double the effectiveness of your communication by simply sending emails instead of sending new YouTube videos. You spend less time working when you're sending emails instead of YouTube videos, and you make more money when you send emails. But we'll get to that. You need to send emails. Those are required. They're not just optional. They're not nice to have. They're your guarantee that whatever happens to YouTube, well, however the algorithm works, you still have a business. You don't have an email list, means you don't have a business. You can't operate without an email list. You're only reliant on one medium, which is YouTube, and that's very dangerous. You can wake up one day and not have anything at all. Too scary and not recommended. Also, with emails, you can set up a welcome sequence. That is a series of several emails that are designed to get the person to purchase from you. So every time somebody subscribes to your emails, they get a bunch of emails, slowly and steadily building your reputation with them, building your trust with them, and getting them to buy whatever you want to sell. This happens on autopilot. You don't need to worry about this. So every time somebody subscribes, they get 5, 10, 15 chances to purchase whatever you're selling. That is significantly better than trying to get people to watch 15 videos in a row. Even if they open like half of them, you still get 2, 3 chances in the next couple of days when they're most hyped to actually be on your list and talk to you and meet you and get all of your products. So this is a net positive. And with a welcome sequence, you can also significantly improve how much people know you. And if people know you, they want to buy from you. For example, you don't know that I've been a game designer, and by making those games, I learned everything I need to know about marketing. So I don't really consume any marketing content at all, because game design is so much cooler and better. So now you know that. And what does that mean? It means you should watch more of this video. Anyway, you should make a welcome sequence. The welcome sequence increases your conversions. It makes it more likely that people will purchase from you. I've had clients make 17 times more money because they added a welcome sequence to their business. It is stupidly effective. You need a welcome sequence. Obviously, if you don't have any emails, first write a bunch of emails. Then simply take the best ones and slam them in a welcome sequence. You don't need to be fancy about this. You just want to have a welcome sequence and get people to know you and get leverage. Next, you have emails. Sure, you have emails. But what do you do with those emails? You send them to a real sales page. What does that mean? It means that is a sales page that you're tracking, that you know what people are doing on, that is actually specialized in selling. It's not just a random page somewhere. It's not the WordPress website your cousin made. It is an actually good sales page. It's a sales page optimized to do one thing and one thing only, to sell. So it doesn't have all the links for your about section and your blog and all that garbage. It has one purpose. It has one button, buy this thing, and that's it. And behind this button and sales page, there is a bunch of tracking and a bunch of testing that you can do to make this sales page better. This is important. Use a specialized software for that, or hire a funnel designer like myself to actually build you a specialized proper sales page. Because without a proper sales page, you cannot sell as much. Because what you'll be doing later is you're going to do A/B testing for your sales page. What does that mean? It means you run two versions of the sales page and see which one people purchase more from. And you do this for a week, 2 weeks, a month. And then you figure out, hey, this version of the sales page sells more. What do you do after? You run another A/B test. And after you run another A/B test, you know, hey, I have yet another improvement. And then you have yet another improvement, and then yet another improvement. So you might start with a sales page that gets 1,000 people in, but only converts 0.1% of them. So just one person. That sucks. That's not great. That's not a good sales page. But then you test it and you get 1,000 people in and you convert 0.5%, which doesn't sound like a massive improvement. It's just 0.4%, but it means you get 5 people, not 1. Maybe you optimize it again, you get 1%, so that's 10 people. Can you see what we did here? We're just optimizing the sales page. We're using a real platform that allows you to test your page and track your data. We went from 0.1% conversion rate to 1% conversion rate. That does not sound like a lot, and your page can do a lot better than 1%, but this is a 10x increase. That's a 10x amount of money you can make from YouTube. There is 0 new videos created here. This is half an hour a week for you to fix your sales page and to test something new. Half an hour. And eventually you can get to 1%. You can even get to higher than 1%. And you can get those numbers to really crazy levels. But let's even say 1%. Let's say you're a simple person. You just want a simple sales page. 1% is good. Then you get a bunch of people using your thing and you add a bunch of testimonials. It goes over 1%. A sales page is a powerful thing. You want to have a real one. Get a specialized platform for that. Go to ClickFunnels. Go to High Level. Get a special designer like me to design you one. But if you want to make more money, you can't just use a simple website that you did in 15 minutes. It just doesn't work. You need to actually work on it. Finally, we want to optimize with a big M, because I wrote the M different and I'm feeling conscious about it. But yeah, so we want to optimize. How do you optimize? First, you optimize your CTAs. You need to ask people to join your email list. You can't just assume they'll go to your description, find the link and join your list. Sure, some people will, but not that many. So you need to actively ask people all the time. And you need to figure out a good way to ask people to join your list. You need to practice this. You need to try to ask people better in every single video so you can actually get a higher percentage of them to convert. Because again, we're talking about numbers. If you get 1,000 people and get 1% of them, that's 10 people. If you get 1,000 people and get 5%, that's 50 people. That's a 5x increase for you simply saying your one sentence of the CTA better. Which reminds me of my CTA. You should join Creator Income. It's the only newsletter that will help you scale your creator business that is specialized in helping you scale your creator business. It is pretty awesome. My emails will make you uncomfortable sometimes, but they'll be fun at the very least, and they'll teach you how to make money. So it's a decent deal. So that's how you add a CTA. It's not that hard. Then, after you have a CTA, you want to optimize your emails. How do you do that? You learn how to write. Writing is essential. You need to write. And you can use this on YouTube as well. You can script your videos better. You can use this on social media. You can make better social posts. You can use this on your sales page. You can write a better sales page. You can use this everywhere. So you need to practice this writing as much as humanly possible, or immediately start investing in professional copywriting services. You need writing, and you need good writing. Finally, we want to optimize the sales page. Because this is a real sales page, you can actually optimize it. You have the data to track, you know what's happening in your business, you know how to make different tests, and you actually sit down and do them. Every single week you do more work on your sales page. And when you add all of those and you start doing them every single day, every single video you try to improve your CTA, every single day you try to improve your emails, every single day you try to improve your sales page, or at least every single week, what happens is those results start compounding. And when they compound, it becomes really nice because you make money. So if your CTA converts 1% of 10,000 people, that's 100 people. And then those 100 people, we convert 1% of them using emails in your sales page. You get one sale. So you made like $97. Amazing. But let's say that this number here is not 1%. Let's say it's 2. That becomes 200 people. That becomes 2 sales. And let's say here we have another 2. So that becomes 4 sales, which is 388. That's a lot more money than $97. You can realistically have more than this every single day, but even this every single day is pretty damn good, because if you multiply this by 31 days, you get $12,028. That's already a very good amount of money. If we're getting only 4 sales every day, only 4, you can make more sales. You can have more expensive products. You can have higher conversion rates. You have more videos than just one video giving you more leads. You can improve every part of this funnel. You need to understand how this funnel works, how the journey of people between them not knowing you and them buying from you works. And then you want to sit down and do the math in every single step and optimize every single step. Because when you optimize enough, the numbers start adding up, and those numbers add up pretty damn fast. And suddenly you don't even need to make new videos. You're already making so much money. Obviously, you'll continue making new videos because you're greedy and you want even more money, but still, you get so much more money. But even better, you help people because you build something that's not complete shit, and people will buy it, use it, and then they'll get results, and those results you change their lives for the better. And suddenly everything is better. People's lives are better, your audience benefits, and you benefit because you make a lot of money and you can go to Fiji, whatever. So optimize your funnel, focus on the math, and actually do things the correct way. And you will be shocked by how good your results could be. That's all I had to say for this. Do all 3 of those things, join Creator Income, and see you in the next video.